Ben, KMF are a very, very big group in reference to the sheet metal sector, one of the largest companies in the UK to offer sheet metal fabrication. We're here at KMF Precision. Now, you guys are offering a milling and turning operation. Could you tell me a little bit about that journey?
Yeah, so initially, obviously, KMF started out as a solely sheet metal firm and acquired a small precision engineering company formerly known Greenway Pepper back in August 2015. This has obviously then moved into this building, originally based across five sites, moved into this one 39,000 square foot purpose-built factory for the precision engineering side of things. Since then, we've seen some big investment in new machine tools, mainly areas aimed at horizontal sliding head and 5-axis, and then as you can see behind, the automation side with the Mazak Palatech.
What sectors are you working within the UK?
Currently in the medical, defence, aerospace and electronics industries.
Now, principally today we're here for Vero Software. Now, you've been a big user of the Radan software for the sheet metal sector. However, the journey in reference to Edgecam for the CAM product, can you tell us a little bit why you're actually using Vero?
Yeah, so the Radan software used up at main site has been beneficial for them over a number of years, and with the support and the help of their background team at Radan, it was a no-brainer for us to choose Edgecam, with it being under the same Vero name.
Neil, you head up the programming department for KMF Precision Engineering. Can you tell me a little bit about Edgecam and how you use it?
Well, we've had it in just over a year now. It's been quite an initial steep learning curve, but we had a lot of support off Edgecam with the training, which was spaced out nicely for us to progress with it, and also the forum that we were able to log any questions, problems that we had, and they will come back to us. But it's really helped us. We used quite a basic CAD/CAM before. We've now moved over to this where we can model up a fixture, as you can see on a computer there, and what Tom's working on here. We can model it up, put it onto the machine, and we can see exactly what's happening on the machine. So it's really helped us that way. Also as well, it's allowed us to be a lot more competitive as the production times have come down. So it's been really good for us.
Now, I understand that you had a number of CAD/CAM programs actually pitched to you, but why Edgecam?
I think mainly because we're using Radan up the road, so we did a lot of support initially off them, and it seemed like the best choice for us to go down. What they offered was what we wanted.
Bearing in mind the investment that you've got with some very up-to-date 5-axis machine tools from Mazak, how does Edgecam actually integrate with those products?
Well, bringing the Edgecam in has allowed us to do a lot more 5-axis simultaneous machining, which we didn't have the ability to do before. So again, it's allowed us to be competitive, with the market as we can offer this now.
And when you look at the backup and service that you get from Vero, what sort of service do you get from them?
Well, they've been really good. Like I say, we've got the forum, we can ask them any questions, they're always contactable. They've recently brought out, they're bringing out new products all the time. We recently acquired the designer that we're using now more to model up fixtures, which is great because if we design, if we model it up and design, if we can then import it straight into Edgecam and everything's in place for us, it is as it is. It's going to be on the machine kind of thing.
And just tell me, how was you working before you actually had Edgecam?
We had quite a simplistic CAD/CAM package, which while I was good, it didn't. What we've got now is that we can see exactly what's happening on the machine here, so we can check for any collisions, and we didn't have that function before, and that's really helping us that way.
And if you was to actually sum up Vero Software with Edgecam and Radan, what would be your message?
Again, it's great. It's a great bit of software. It's been really good for us. It's probably one of the leading market software companies. So yeah, it's been good.
Great. Thanks very much, Neil.
Okay, thank you.